Now let's talk about the nice glow up that we gave to team calendars in Confluence Premium. Because really, the little things add up. And while there's not a whole lot of new functionality here, we want to walk through all of the little pieces of the experience that we think you're going to love in Premium. So let's start with event colors. We went from a disarray of clashing tones in the old UI to a new grid with varying shades and a really cohesive, gorgeous palette, as you can see here. Previously, the event details hardly contained any details. So the new and improved dialog tells you the event date, if it repeats or not, the event location, attendees, description, and link pages. So you actually get the details you need in one click. The old share dialog got the job done, but with the new one, you have a quick copy link for easy access the next time your manager or someone needs you to Slack them at the page. You can just copy it and send it wherever it needs to go. The outdated restrictions dialog worked, but it was inconsistent with everything else around the experience, and it was confusing. So we polished it up so that it matches the rest of your Confluence pages, and it's finally clear exactly who can and cannot see your calendars. And it's just a familiar experience for anyone else who's setting permissions on pages. We've also added some checkboxes for quick access so you can hide or show calendars easily. And we created an add event button where the add calendar button used to be. Don't worry, you can still add calendars over on the top left next to the calendars heading, but everyone had clicked on add calendars too many times when really all I wanted to do was add a single event. And the most exciting new update that we added when we brought team calendars into Premium is CalDAV support. So we're finally catching up with our team calendars friends over on the server side, and we support two-way syncing with the new CalDAV. And you can find this by going into subscribing a calendar and setting the calendar app to CalDAV. So what is CalDAV? Why is it important? The benefits here are that you're going to get two-way syncing updates wherever the events are. So whether you change an event in Google Calendar or you change the event in Team Calendars, it's going to stay consistent regardless of the starting point. With one source of truth across multiple platforms like Google Calendar, Outlook, again, you're reducing that administrative load and you can trust that everything is going to stay in sync. And lastly, you don't need to make users choose a calendar anymore. You can set up all your calendars so they link to each other and all of your employees can use their favorite, whether that's Outlook, whether that's Team Calendars or iCal. Everyone can sync together and again, maintain a happy team and one source of truth.